A trader increases the selling price by 20%, because of which his profit percentage increases from 10% to 15%. What is the percentage increase in the cost price? Now, let's assume the original cost price to be 100. Now, originally the profit percentage was 10. So therefore, original selling price will be 110. Now, this selling price has been increased by 20%. So therefore, the new selling price will be 110 multiplied by 1.2, because 20% increase is there. So we get 132. Now, the general formula which we use for selling price is cost price into multiplier. Now, this multiplier changes depending on the profit or loss percentage. Now, there is a profit of 15% when you are selling it at 132. So, selling price is 132, cost price we have to find out. The multiplier will be 1 plus 15 by 100. So, if we solve this, we get the cost price to be 114.78. So, this is the new cost price. Original cost price we have assumed it to be 100, and hence we can easily calculate the percentage increase in cost price, because the increase is of 14.78. Original cost price is 100 and into 100. So 100 gets cancelled out. The percentage increases 14.78 percentage.